How you doing, everybody? Today we're talking about Mastigas Papua Episoni, named after the late president of Palau, Juratko Estestoni, or commonly known as the Palau golden jellyfish. You can find almost 5 million golden jellyfish found in a single lake. They are one-of-a-kind subspecies of the Mastigas papua, or commonly known as the spotted jellyfish. They are exclusive in Jellyfish Lake in Ilmaka Island in Palau. Despite their home being called Jellyfish Lake, they only inhabit the top 15 meters of the lake, or 50 feet for freedom units. Up below the jellyfish layer, there is a layer of pink bacteria that live between depths of 13 to 50 meters or 43 to 50 feet. Right below this bacteria layer, the lake becomes uninhabitable. There is no light, no oxygen, and is filled to the brim with toxic poisons such as hydrogen sulfide gas. Jellyfish Lake is 400 meters long and 30 meters deep, or 1,312 feet and 98 feet respectively. The edges of this lake are lined with mangrove trees. The lake has numerous indirect connections to the lagoon. Tides rise and fall with a 2-hour delay. The jellyfish are paired up with zooxanthellae, symbiotic algae, in their soft tissue, with a similar dynamic to their cnidarian cousins, the sea coral. The zooxanthellae photosynthesize while the jellyfish swims to sunny locations. This is often seen by their daily migration. When the sun rises, the jellyfish swim towards the east, following the sun, and vice versa during the afternoon. The jellyfish often swim close to the shore, but never right at the shore. This is done to avoid rocks, tree roots, and their natural predators. More on that later. It is a popular belief that the golden Palau jellyfish are stingless due to the lack of natural predators. This is complete fake news. This species of jellyfish, like every other jellyfish, have stinging cells, though they are essentially harmless to any humans and are used occasionally to capture zooplankton found in the lake. Unlike a lot of animals found on island, these jellyfish does have a natural predator, a form of Enacome medusivore, or the medusa eater. They are anemones that live on the edge of the lake, though there are threats to these jellyfish at a grander scale. During an extreme El Nino between 2015 and 2016, the golden jellyfish population dwindled and disappeared completely, and the last medusa seen in May 2016, and they were completely absent until late 2018. And by 2019, their populations were stalled to their full might. Despite their swift recovery, there are still long-term threats to these beautiful jellyfish's continued survival, such as the Expentasia species of sea anemone that are allowed to grow in number without the regulation of predators. And they likely got into that lake because a tourist picked up a rock. So that means you should only leave footprints and take photos when you're in nature. If you like what you just saw, please like and subscribe and ring that bell.